What's good, YouTube? You're now tuned into the Infamous World Network, and it's your host, Infamous Jerez. If you're new to this channel, or if you haven't already, please make sure to... What's good, YouTube? You're now tuned into the Infamous World Network, and it's your host, Infamous Jerez. If you're new to this channel, or if you haven't already, please make sure to... If you're into Instagram, my Instagram is @_Infamousworldnetwork. You can catch me on Instagram at that name. Fuck. What's good, YouTube? You're tuning into the Infamous World Network, and it's your host, Infamous Jerez. If you're new to this channel, or if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. And while you're at it, make sure to like the video and also to ring the bell so you can get a notification every time the kid uploads a new video to YouTube. If you're into Instagram, you can catch me on Instagram @_Infamousworldnetwork. On my Instagram, I post daily sneaker stories, and I also post a lot of content from my YouTube on my channel as well, so you can catch me there. Now, with that out the way, gang, I got a brand new pair of shoes in my hands today, and we're gonna get all up into that, so let's get it on. Alright, gang, so let's get right into this sneaker review. A little background before I pull the shoe out. This shoe came out December 19th, 2020. It came out last year. That shoe is the Nike SB Sean Cliver. Bada bing, bada boom. We got the Nike SB Sean Cliver. This beautiful shoe came out for $110. This is Sean Cliver's second Christmas shoe. He also made the 2012 Crumpus Nike SB. And now, 8 years later, he made this Christmas shoe. Holding this shoe in hand, the first thing that pops off is definitely the color blocking. This shoe is nutty. From this light blue suede to the gold Nike swoosh and the gold stitching along the midsole. A lot of things about this shoe pop off. And then just this outsole. This outsole is absolute insanity. It's like a light blue outsole with gold and white speckles. Very Christmas vibe. We have a white Nike SB hit here. Then once we get to the midsole, we have a white midsole with gold or yellow stitching that wraps all the way around. The stitching is very nice. It pops really hard on the white midsole. I like that a lot. Then once we get to the uppers, we have this icy blue suede that is all around the toe box and the ankle. This nice icy blue suede feels very nice to the touch. The only thing I would have to say is that this type of long suede, it's a dirt magnet, and if you wear a pair of shoes out like this and it's not a perfect day, you could come back home and your shoes will be dirty as hell. So shoes like this, you got to be on red alert, and you have to watch out for Mother Nature and for anything, because honestly, this nice suede like this, it just gets beat up so easily. The white leather hits that are on the toe box and on the mid panels definitely feels very nice to the touch. I do like this leather. It feels very nice. On the toe box, a very cool thing is that the leather toe box hit is supposed to be a snowflake. That is something that I found very creative. Along the uppers, we have a shiny gold Nike swoosh. Me personally, I think this goes very nice with nice icy blue suede. Once we get to the laces, the shoe comes with these nice metallic silver laces. They're very, very shiny. They do pop a lot. The tongue of the shoe is this nice same icy blue suede all along the tongue. And then once you get to the top of the tongue, you have a Nike SB Cliver hit. Getting to the back of the shoe, you have the blue suede that wraps around. Then you have the gray leather with gray stitching. And then once you get to the heel tab, you have the icy blue suede with a gold Nike print on it. Very nice, very nice. The insoles of this shoe and the sock liner is where the shoe gets even doper. The sock liner, the shoe is like this icy white, and it just feels so nice to the touch. I know when you slip your foot in here, it feels so comfortable. I have some shoes with this kind of sock liner, and this sock liner is absolutely amazing. I do highly recommend when you wear shoes like this with this kind of sock liner, you wear white socks. The insoles of this shoe are very amazing too. Sean Cliver, he just hits all the right spots with the shoes. On the insole of one of the shoes, you have these little elves. I think these little elves are really cool because the first two elves, they're regular elves, they're good kids. And then once you get to this third elf, you can just tell he has the evil intent in his eyes. And he has all these sick and twisted toys. Like he has this panda here with the guts coming out. He has a bomb. He has a Jack-in-the-Box with a snake. He has the sinister look in his eye. He has this little doll with a horse face. So you can just see he's the bad elf. I thought that was really cool. cool. The shoe also comes with 2 laces, so you can swap them out. These nice white laces, and then these gold, very shiny gold, just like the very shiny gray laces that come with the shoe. Me personally, I would leave the gray laces on, or I would put these white laces on. After finally getting this shoe in hand, this shoe is just as nice as it looks in the pictures, and this shoe definitely hit a lot of the things that I like for my Nike SBs. Holding this shoe in hand, all in all, I do think this shoe is very nice, and I would love to have this shoe in my collection. I think Sean Cliver has a lot of nice SBs that he makes. If you like this shoe, the average price of resale on this shoe a year after the release is only $597, so just about $600. So if you're into this shoe, it's not crazy yet. I've seen some SBs go for crazy money, but these shoes are definitely beautiful, and I like these a lot. My personal opinion, gang, I would give this shoe an 8 out of 10. With that being said, gang, I believe these shoes are an 8 out of 10. Please let me know in the comment box what's your thoughts on these shoes. If you think they're an 8 out of 10, a 10 out of 10, or you think they belong out back in the trash. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to like the video. That goes a long way for me. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on Instagram. This is the Infamous World Network. This is your host, Infamous Drez. We're signing out. We'll see you next time.